3D AI DNN ISO 21001 in Education. 3D AI model by Pradeep K. Suri. Video explanation, ISO 21001, Auditor's point of view. From an ISO 21001 auditor's perspective, the video titled ISO 21001 in Education combined with the 3D AI DNN animated output offers an insightful and structured assessment of institutional alignment with the ISO 21001 Educational Organization Management System, EOMS, standard. Brain 1. Systematic AI-based audit simulation. The animation begins by mapping AI readiness scores across key ISO 21001 domains. Leadership, planning, learning environment, teacher training, stakeholder satisfaction. Each domain's performance is scored and visualized using AI-simulated bar charts, helping the auditor quickly identify strengths and weaknesses. Magnifying glass tilted left auditor insight. The use of AI models enhances audit objectivity by offering data-driven justifications behind score assignments, especially useful in preliminary and remote audits. Chart increasing to growth percentage trend line, dark blue line. The growth percent chart shows how much each ISO 21001 domain has improved since AI-enhanced practices, example training programs, leadership workshops. This visualization is critical for surveillance audits, tracking progress over time. Improvement planning, validating the impact of corrective actions. White heavy checkmark auditor consideration. The dark blue line reveals that the highest growth occurred in teacher training and continuous improvement, signaling active organizational learning. Red square 3. Compliance percentage, red line. The red line overlays actual compliance levels, giving auditors a quick snapshot of adherence to each clause. The color-coded red percent values make it easy to spot underperforming areas, example support services. Validate audit trail alignment with documented evidence. Pushpin audit benefit. By visually separating compliance and growth, auditors can distinguish between areas that are improving versus those that are still non-conforming. 4. Auditor-friendly playback control. The video includes a play instruction in black, clearly guiding ISO auditors to review the animation step by step. This is especially helpful during auditor presentations, certification body meetings, remote or hybrid audits. Final observations, auditor's closing note. This animation gives a consolidated, data-centric view of ISO 21001 implementation in an educational context. From growth mapping to compliance scoring, it aligns perfectly with ISO's process-based auditing approach, empowering us as auditors to focus more on value addition and less on manual data crunching. Thanks for watching the video.